Welcome to our online tutorial for using Dots on Plots. Dots on Plots is a free software application that automates the analysis of stress-strain curves. It was developed to analyze tensile tests for soft tissue, but it may be useful for other applications as well. To get started, you can open one or more input files that contain stress-strain data. You can use the Open button in the upper left corner, or this button on the central window. The input files must be text, Excel, or CSV, and data must consist of two equal-length columns of numbers, where the first column is strain and the second column is stress. It's critical that the stress and strain data are correctly ordered in the input files. A single header row can be included. You can download examples of input files by clicking here. Here is an example of an appropriate input file. Notice that strain is in the first column and stress is in the second column. In this example, we included a header row. Now let's open some files. Once the files are uploaded, Dots on Plots will automatically generate and analyze the stress-strain curves. On the left is your stress versus strain plot, and on the right is a table with values for stress, strain, and energy at 4 points of interest. These points of interest are transition, yield, ultimate, and rupture. The location of these points can be seen on the stress-strain curve. Please note that energy is calculated as the area under the curve up to the point of interest. Below the table, the linear modulus is shown, which corresponds to the slope of the dashed line on the stress-strain plot. By clicking this arrow below, you can view the first and second derivative of the stress-strain plot. These derivative plots were used to select the yield point. You can flip through the results from multiple input files by using the arrows in the upper right-hand corner. To download your results, click the Download button here. You will receive a report PDF that contains the results as well as a summary sheet of the values and settings. Here is the downloaded PDF report. This PDF appends the results from the web page for all analyzed files and is helpful for archiving the analysis. Here is the downloaded summary sheet. All the data from the table is included in this sheet, and this is useful for creating plots and running statistics. You'll notice that the applied settings used for the analysis are also included. The settings can be adjusted by clicking here. You have the option to adjust the threshold values used to select the transition, yield, and rupture points. You can also choose to deselect these points using the boxes to the left. Let's try it. By clicking Apply to All, your results for all uploaded images will be updated according to the new settings. Here you can see that the transition and rupture points have been removed from the plot and table, and that the yield point has been shifted due to the change in the threshold. More information on the physical and mathematical interpretation of these points of interest can be found in the About page. If you want to clear all analyzed files, click here. You're now all set to upload more input files. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy using Dots on Plots. If you have any questions or suggestions, please send an email to the following address: